Operation of pattern molds. Spray water on the inside of the mold to reduce sticking. Remove the excess clay. Note that the thickness of the clay board should not exceed the thickness of the mold itself, otherwise it will be difficult to remove. Gently remove the mold, adjust the size, and level the surface. Let it dry 2 days. Dry naturally in the shade, using a sanding pad for sanding the surface. Color when the clay is completely dry. Acrylic pigment characteristics will form a layer of pigment film. Do not touch the paint until it has dried. Coating process. Apply an even coat of acrylic flow medium. Wait for the coating to dry thoroughly. The coating has a certain water resistance, but it cannot soak the clay.